Hey my lovely people, I don't know about you, but we love roasted chicken. When we travel, when we come home, it's always the first thing we make. You know, when you go to restaurants, you can get almost any kind of food, but there is never roasted chicken. Have you seen at a restaurant? I have not. At least not my kind of roasted chicken. After my last Tips Tuesday video about my cinnamon and apple chicken, I got so many requests to share how I make that chicken. So today I'm gonna show you what spices I use, how I spatchcock the chicken, and we're gonna see how delicious it's gonna come out. Let me show you how I make it.
Spatchcocking the chicken, you need to remove the backbone, making 2 cuts in the middle from both sides of the backbone. Sometimes I like just to cut on one side and leave the backbone attached. Works well and we have more bones to chew. If you want to get crispy skin, you have to try chicken very, I'll repeat, very well. Drizzle some olive oil from both sides. 3 cloves of garlic, grated. Rub all over the chicken and go under the skin in the breast section. For the spices, 2 teaspoons lemon pepper, 2 teaspoons herbs de Provence, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 tablespoon sweet paprika, half of teaspoon black and red pepper, and the secret ingredient, half of teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix well and sprinkle all over the chicken, not missing a spot. Get 2 tablespoons of butter and push it between breast meat and the skin. It will keep the breast very juicy. Sprinkle sea salt and squeeze half of the lemon. Cut apples in half and remove the core. Place on the baking sheet around the chicken. And last but not least, drizzle some more olive oil on the top.
Chicken is all prepped and ready for the oven. It's going into 375 degrees preheated oven for 1.5 hours. But you actually should never go by time. Meat thermometer is absolutely my bestie in the kitchen. Then chicken, when you measure in the thickest thigh part, it should show 165 degrees, but my family likes kind of more well done, so I go by 170, 175. I'll see you when it's done. It's ready. You have no idea how heavenly it smells in the house and even outside the house. My fall and winter cinnamon and apple chicken is ready to be served, and please let me know in comments below what next recipe or video you would like me to make. Let's give it a try. It's full of flavor, juicy, delicious. Give it a try. I hope you like it.